MultiCalc allows you to modify an element's property value in a number of different ways: stepwise, incremental, user-entered or read from Excel, solving the model for each change, and recording the results. In this example, we are going to modify the elevation of the unit boundary node 1 from values 1 to 10 in 10 steps, and we are going to track the results for the sprinklers 11, 12, 13, and 14. To start, click the known pressure boundary node 1, go to the Tools, select the MultiCalc menu item, and click the plus to add a new MultiCal Calculation. The property that we are going to modify is the elevation for node 1. When you look at that drop-down, you will see some common properties that have been added already: length, operating speed, and temperature. You can add others as needed. Feel the Visible Properties dialog. For example, you may want to add operating pressure, plate width, and roughness. In this instance, we are just going to be changing elevation, and we are going to specify the element that we want to change. Click outside and that will tell you that we are changing node 1. We are going to specify an element for the property that it is going to apply to. Click the drop-down menu and select Specify Elements and select the node 1, known or assigned pressure boundary. We are going to modify how we track the results on the selected elements. Select the sprinklers 11, 12, 13, and 14. For node 1, we are changing its elevation. The way that we can change this stepwise is we are going to go from a start value to an end value in X number of steps. We are going to go from a start value to an end value, and we want to increment by a certain amount each time or decrement. In this example, we are doing stepwise. We are going to change elevation from 1 to 10. We are going to do it in 10 steps. Name the description as Change Elevation from 1 to 10 in 10 steps, recording the results for the selected sprinklers. When we click Run, it is going to do 10 calculations. The elevation in node 1 and the flow on each sprinklers will be modified. It will notify that the calculation runs are completed. The results for these elements are going to be recorded in the report. All calculation runs are shown in the report. Let us try to show calculation run 9. The sprinklers 11, 12, 13, and 14 will show different flow rates. Let us now show all the calculation runs. In the Report tab, there is a Save to Excel file icon. When we click it, we will be prompted to save the MultiCalc results to an XLSX file. This does not open the XLSX in Excel, it just creates an XLSX file. The second icon is Print Preview and works using the setting from the file, Print Content. Menu item: if we have the preview in Excel, if available, selected in that, then the results can be previewed in Excel, otherwise, they will be previewed in the FF3 Previewer. Let us click the Print Preview. An Excel report file will be opened showing all the calculation runs. Let us change the layout orientation to landscape to make it a bit more readable. We hope that you would find this new feature useful, as it simplifies your sensitivity and variation analysis of hydraulic models. For any concerns regarding FluidFlow, whether it may be related to technical support, consulting, training, or customized software features, please feel free to send us an email at success@fluidflowinfo.com.